Hello friends, today we will make a 90 degrees pop-up card, V-Fold. You will take your card and crease it in half. Along the crease side, you will draw half a heart. Now you will cut the curved part, that is the top, till there. Now fold it along that line, forming a V. Crease it well back and forth. Open it, push the heart up so the center becomes a mountain and the valley fold is on the V. You can also make a bouquet of flowers. So we will draw half the bouquet or the vase. You will cut the top part like the heart and fold it along an extended V. Fold it back and forth. Open it, push it through, making the center into a mountain fold and the V as a valley fold. Now we can put some flowers to make it colorful, and you can put a nice colored heart as well. You can also color the vase or the base of the bouquet. If you want, you can add a few leaves as well. Now paste the pop-up to a backing card, crease it, apply glue on one side of the pop-up, place it along the central crease, turn it over and apply glue on the other side as well. And your pop-up card is ready. I hope you enjoyed making the 90 degree pop-up card, V-Fold. For more videos, please subscribe to Morris Fun to Learn. Thank you.